Hi everyone, I'm Wendy. Welcome back to Show Me Mo Vegan. Today I'm showing you a really easy pizza casserole recipe. Now, I love pizza as much as the next person, but I don't love making pizza dough. And whole food plant-based pizza crusts that don't have a bunch of oil, sugar, and salt and other junk in them are hard to find. So I love this pizza casserole recipe that my mom came up with. Shout out to my mom, thanks for the recipe, Mom. Instead of a pizza crust, we're using these millet and brown rice noodles. They come in these cute little patties and they're so quick to cook. Pizza crust can take over an hour because you have to let the dough rise, but these noodles cook in less than 5 minutes once your water is boiling. You simply add them to the water and leave them alone for about a minute. After they start to soften, take a couple forks to break them apart, and then they just need to cook another 3 minutes or so. Drain the water and you're ready to go. The casserole dish I'm using is about 8 by 12 inches. And for me, this is really probably only going to be about 2 to 3 servings. So you could use a larger casserole dish and double this. You can also use as many noodles as you like. If you'd like a thicker base, you can use more noodles. So I just dumped the noodles in and tried to spread them as evenly as possible. Next, we'll add some pizza sauce. You can make your own pizza sauce, but I'm taking a shortcut here and using this sos-free pizza sauce from Well Your World. If you need an sos-free pizza sauce recipe, I'll include that in the blog post linked below. And then it's up to you how saucy you want this to be. This jar is 15.7 ounces and I'm using about half of it. And then I'm adding some black lentils. I cook these from dried. After rinsing, I add them to the Instant Pot and cover with water. You want at least about an inch of water over the level of the lentils. I cook it at high pressure for 7 minutes and let it natural release. These are great to keep in the fridge to add to meals all week. They can be hard to find though. I don't have them in any of my local grocery stores, so I order these online. But if you're not able to get them, French lentils would be a great substitute. If you can't get those, any regular brown or green lentils would work fine. You could even use a can of lentils. I'll be using about 1.5 cups, which is the equivalent of 1 can. We usually mix these right in with the pizza sauce, but since I wasn't making my own today, I'm just sprinkling them on top. Of course, you can also leave this out completely if you don't like lentils. And then we have our toppings. You can put whatever pizza toppings you love on your casserole. I'm using some pretty classic toppings here. I have some thinly sliced mushrooms, red onions, and all different colors of bell peppers. If you like your veggies to be more well done, you can take the extra step of sautéing these veggies before you put them on your casserole, but I'm going to just add them on top and let them bake in the oven. It just depends on your own taste and how you like the texture of your veggies. Load it up with as many toppings as you like. And then we have a cheesy sauce. You can use whatever vegan cheese sauce you like. This is my recipe, and it's the same as the base recipe that I used in my Rotel dip video. I'll link that for you, but of course this recipe will also be in the blog post linked below. Once again, add as much or as little as you like. If you want, you can just drizzle a little bit on, or you can cover the whole top completely. And one final touch, this is optional, but I'm adding a few sliced black olives. This will go in a 350-degree Fahrenheit oven for about 25 minutes or until the veggies are done. I've taken my pizza casserole out of the oven and let it cool for a few minutes. I ended up baking it for about 35 minutes, but again, you can bake it as long as you need to get the vegetables done how you like. So now all that's left is the taste test. So I'm gonna get a bite here with a little bit of everything, some of the noodles, some of the veggies, and some of that cheesy sauce. Here we go. This tastes absolutely amazing. It tastes just like a pizza, but in a casserole form, and there's no added salt, oil, or sugar. There is a little bit of salt if you add the black olives, but other than that, everything else is SOS free. So this is a totally healthy and delicious pizza casserole. I hope you'll give this one a try, like this video, and subscribe to my channel for more whole food, plant-based meal ideas. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.